Are you safe? I am safe. Are you healthy? I am healthy. Okay, let us start the class. Before that, we have a prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Dear God, be with me through this day. Guide me to do what is right. Keep me away from what is wrong. At home, at work, and at play. Amen. Children, let us learn some sight words. Okay. Maid. Maid. What is this, children? Maid. Say with me. Maid. 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 Can you repeat after me? Maid. Maid. Okay. What is this one? Make. 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 Say with me. Make. 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 Can you? Yes. Make. 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 Okay. What is next one, line? Name. 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 Okay. Name. Name. Next one. Yes. Like. 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 Say with me. Like. Like. Yes. Next one. Time. 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 Okay. Next. More. 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 What is this one? Good. 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 Next. Wood. 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 Next one. Should. 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 Okay. Look and say these words. Can you do it? Okay.
Made. Make. Name. Like. Time. More. Good. Would. Should.
Start to read vowel digraph. Double O, that make sound oo, 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 oo. Long O sound and short O sound. Understand? Here, Ron and Tim. Ron and Tim. Look at cookbook. See, listen. Ron and Tim look at a cookbook. Short O. Short O means O. O. Ron and Tim look at a cookbook. Cookbook. Okay. Next, Ron. Can we cook food? Can we cook food? The oo, oo. Can we cook food? Tim. Yes, we can. Tim said, yes, we can. Okay. Next one. Can we use wood to cook? Can we use wood to cook? Oh, oh. Wood to cook. Then Tim said, yes, we can. Yes, we can. Okay. Next, Ron said, can we cook on the roof? Can we cook on the roof? Can we cook on the roof when the moon is out? Cook, roof, moon. Can we cook on the roof when the moon is out? Understand, children? Let us read once again. Ron and Tim look at a cookbook. Ron, can we cook food? Tim, yes, we can. Ron, can we use wood to cook food? Tim, yes, we can. Ron, can we cook on the roof when the moon is out? Can you read, children? Yes. Two side words from the topic. Side words, when. What is this? When. 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 What is this? Out. Say with me. Out. Out. When. Out. Okay. Next. Tim said, no, we cannot. We cannot cook food on the roof. Okay. Tim said, no, we cannot cook food on the roof. Ron, look at the book and cook soon. Look at the book and cook soon. Here, ooh, here, ooh, ooh, book and cook soon. Okay. Then Tim said, yes. Tim said, yes. Ron, the food looks good. The food looks good. Okay, let us read once again. Tim said, no, we cannot cook food on the roof. Okay, no, we cannot. Say with me, no, we cannot. No, we cannot. Read with me. Tim said, no, we cannot. Okay, next Ron. Look at the book and cook soon. Look at the book and cook soon. Okay, next Tim said, yes, yes. Okay, Ron, the food looks good. The food looks good. Okay, side words. What is this? Cannot. Cannot. Looks. Cannot. Looks. Read after me. Cannot. Looks. Cannot. Looks. Cannot. Looks. Okay. Draw wood here. Draw the moon here. Draw food. Let us write some question answers. What can be used to cook food? What can be used to cook food? What can we use, children? Yes, we use wood to cook food. We use wood to cook food. Once again, read after me. We use wood to cook food. Understand? Next. What looks good? What looks good? The food looks good. The food looks good. Understand? The food looks good. Okay? Can you write? Let's learn each words. It's CH, two consonants, two CH make sound ch. Two consonants C and H make sound ch. See, what is this? Chin. Ch in chin. Ch in chin. Ch op chop. Chop. What is this? Chop. Vegetable chop. Ch op chop. Ch in chin. Ch op chop. Okay. What next? Chat. Ch at chat. Read with me. Ch at chat. They are chatting. They are joking and chatting. Okay. Once again. Ch in chin. Ch op chop. Ch at chat. Few more words to read ch, ips, chips. Ch, ips, chips. R, ich, rich. R, ich, rich. It's much. It's much. It's such. Such. Once again, chips, rich, much, such. Once again, let us read together, children. What is this? Ch, ips, chips. R, it's rich. It's much. Such. Can you read once again? Chips, rich, much, such. Got it? Let's read and write chin. Ch in chin. Ch in chin. Okay? See, children. Use ch and ish words given in the box to answer each clue. Listen, first one. To talk. What is that? Chat. To talk means chat. Find the word from here. Find the right word from at the top. Chat. To talk means chat. To talk, chat. Have lots of money. Have lots of money. That means rich. Rich, rich. Here word rich, rich. Okay. One word answer. Listen. A water animal. A water animal. Which is that? Find the answer here. Yes, fish. Fish is the water animal. Write the spelling of fish. Ish words. That is ish words. Here we can see it's ch, ch. Here also ch at chat. R, it's ch. F, ish, fish. Okay. Next, a body part. What is that? Chin. Ch in chin. Find the answer from here. Chin. This is chin. A body part, chin. A body part, chin. Okay. A body part, chin. Next, we buy things from here. From where, children? Shop. Shop, shop. Shop, shop. Okay. Cut something into pieces. What is that? Chop. Chop, chop. Cut something into pieces. Chop, chop. Chop. Okay. Next, the words. Th, the words. Math. At, math. Math. How to pronounce? At, math. Let's read with. With. It. With. It. With. Next, the words voiced. This starting letter T and H consonants. So voiced. This, that, then, them. Once again, how can we pronounce this, that, then? Read after me. This, that, then, them. Once again, this, that, then, them. Once again, this, that, then, them. Got it? Next, name the pictures given below. Write the words. What are they? What is this, children? Yes, fish. F-ish. Fish. Ish words. Next, chin. Ch in chin. Ch in chin. 2 plus 2, 4. Math. 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 What is this? Ish words. Ship. 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 Okay. Let's read once again. This, that, with. Once again. This, that, with. Can you read? This, that, with. Got it? Next is words. Words. What is this, children? wheel, wheel, v, eel, wheel, v, eel, wheel. What is this? It's, which, v, e, it's, which, v, e, ch, which, which, which. What is this? When, 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 v, and when, v, and when. Okay. Next, help Joy reach Kate by connecting the consonant digraph. Here we can see some consonant digraph. See, be, much, chin, chop, hut, mat, shop, hop, fish, him, hip, ship. But connect the word only consonant digraph. Consonant digraph. Do you know that? Wa, the consonant, ach, ch, consonant ch, ch, t, ish, sh, ship. These words, connect these words and find the way to Joy reach to Kate. Can you do that? Yes, very good.